Walking down the whiskey roads, dusty dreams a heavy load. Night will fall where the sunlight fades, hearts are wandering aimless strays. Old guitar and a lonesome tune, stars will light the prairie moon. Feet are tired but the spirit's high, whiskey roads we drank the sky. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no restraint. Finding hope in a sip so deep, on whiskey roads we sow and reap. Rustic barns and silent fields, broken dreams that time conceals. Yet we march on through the haze, in our hearts a fire blaze. Dusty dreams and open plains, aching hearts with no. Cruising down the back roads, nothing but dust and dirt. Got my boots on, feeling country like a real cowboy expert. But there's a twist to this tale, something ain't right. My daughter's got a secret weapon, she's a flatulence dynamite. She's a crop dusting queen, making everyone gasping. No one's got the clue, they all be huffing and puffing. She's got that twangy rap mixing country and trap. Gotta hold my breath cause she's dropping gas clouds like a champ. She won't stop flatulating, no matter how much we try. She's got that knack, queen of the fly. It's gross and disgusting, yeah, it's quite a mess. But she can't deny she's got a talent for creating gas distress.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.